Political Science and International Relations optional paper, which is also considered as one of the most mark scoring and advantageous optional. Now, why political science? First of all, political science and optional international relations optional paper, it is equally applicable for the students who comes from humanity background, if even if they do not have the political science. It is also equally and very favorable subject for the engineering students because it is very logical. Okay, it is very logical and process oriented, so you will enjoy. So whichever background you are, political science is considered as one of the most favored optional subject. And if you go through the toppers like top 10 rank, you will find out many of the students, those who have topped the examination, they also held they also held the political science and international relations optional subject. So that makes this subject as one of the most popular as well as mark scoring. Indeed, what you can do with this subject, you can score 300 plus marks out of 500 marks total. Okay, so if you compare with the other subject, then it gives you a high scoring mark, and also it is easy with logical and process oriented. Like for example, it contains there are two for example there are two parts. One is the two paper. One is paper one, which contains the theory part, okay, and the paper two. So here I'm not going to discuss the what is the political science optional paper. I'm just highlighting that what advantages of taking political science and international relations as optional paper. Now, interestingly, what also happens, it also helps you a lot in the general studies, whether it is for prelim or it is for the main. How? Now, prelim, prelim or main. How? Now, the general studies 2 paper of the whether it is a main examination, you are having the constitution of the Indian polity section. So the students who take political science and international relations, the entire Indian polity is going to be covered inside it. Okay, so that you no need to take a burden to learn something extra, rather you are already learning the same subject, and this thing will be completely covered. Another one is it also helps in prelims, as I have told. It will help you in the governance. Okay, it will help you in the polity and also the international relations section, the current affairs. So this is how it is also going to help you in the prelim examination. Now, not only that, political science optional paper also is going to help you in writing a good essay and also the GS for ethics, integrity, and aptitude. Now, interestingly, the theory part, okay, of optional subject, there are so many thinkers and thoughts which you can really quote in the essay or maybe in the ethics paper. So that is how it is also going to help you. And moreover, there are so many now consider that there are so many states which have changed or revised the pattern of their state civil service examination in line with UPSC civil services. So if you choose this particular political science and international relations optional paper, you are actually preparing for both your UPSC as well as your state civil services examination. See, there are so many advantages of taking political science and international relations optional paper. Okay, but the choice depends on you. So please consider once, as I told that the primary consideration will be must first which subject you are interested, and the secondary would be your educational background. Now I have already told that political science and international relations subject, what are the advantages for getting. Okay, so if you are really interested to take the course of political science and international relations, now we are already having or going to start this particular course. Please find our website at www.ray.academy. Okay, so we are already having courses for the UPSC as well as both courses for UPSC as well as for state civil services exam. Okay, and also we are having the test series which are going to help you. So I'm going to personally guide you and mentor you with this political science and international relations optional subject. Thank you so much for watching me live. I hope that I could be helpful to you and to clear your doubt how to choose an optional subject. If you think that you have any kind of query or doubt, please comment in the box, or maybe you send me one messenger, or maybe please feel free to contact us in this is the mobile number which is provided. I'll be available to help you out. Thank you so much. See you again.